How to create thumbnails using Perplexity AI. All right, so first things first, you need to understand that Perplexity can't actually generate or create thumbnails for you, as it is not built like Midjourney or Canva AI. It's a simple research and answer engine. But here's how you can go about doing this. Your first step, as you can see, is just have a look at my example here. It wasn't able to generate even with a guide. All right, so what you can do now is to simply request for the Perplexity AI to generate you a script or a prompt you can use on other artificial intelligences, like I used here. And now all you need to do is open a platform like Canva. Once you've opened Canva, all you need to do now is click on Canva AI. Once you have selected Canva AI here, go ahead and paste in the prompts. Make sure you have a Canva account and then click on enter. It should now be able to generate your thumbnail. And then once your results have been generated, go ahead and click on the download button at the bottom left. Make sure you have a Canva account first and boom, it's done. Thank you.